Welcome to Toyota's Guide to Winning Friends and Influencing People, where we explore timeless principles for enhancing our interactions and strengthening our community. In this video, we'll delve into the core teachings of Dale Carnegie's iconic book and see how they can be applied in our daily work at Toyota. Dale Carnegie's How to Win Friends and Influence People offers invaluable insights into human nature and effective communication, skills that are crucial in any professional setting. At Toyota, where teamwork, collaboration, and customer focus are paramount, these lessons provide a powerful framework for building stronger relationships and driving success. Our first key lesson from Carnegie is to refrain from criticizing, condemning, or complaining. It's a simple yet profound principle for maintaining positive interactions. Negativity can easily erode trust and goodwill, damaging both personal and professional relationships. Focusing on solutions rather than problems fosters a more productive environment. At Toyota, we emphasize constructive feedback, focusing on actionable solutions and improvements rather than dwelling on faults. This approach empowers our teams and encourages growth. Our second lesson is to give honest and sincere appreciation. Recognizing and valuing others' contributions is vital for morale and motivation. Genuine praise builds confidence, strengthens bonds, and creates a positive atmosphere where everyone feels valued and encouraged to excel. Toyota actively fosters a culture of appreciation through various recognition programs and daily acknowledgments, ensuring that hard work and dedication never go unnoticed. The third lesson is to arouse in the other person an eager want. This means understanding what truly motivates people and aligning your goals with their desires. By understanding motivations, we can present ideas in a way that resonates with others, making them eager to participate and contribute to shared objectives. At Toyota, this principle guides our approach to collaboration and problem solving, ensuring that all team members feel invested and motivated to achieve collective success. Our fourth key lesson from Carnegie is to be a good listener and encourage others to talk about themselves. This is fundamental for building rapport and understanding. Active listening shows respect, builds trust, and allows us to truly understand others' perspectives, which is crucial for effective communication and problem solving. At Toyota, we champion open communication, encouraging every team member to share their ideas and concerns. This fosters a supportive environment where everyone feels heard and valued. As we conclude, remember that these principles from Dale Carnegie are not just theories, they are practical tools for enhancing every interaction. Recapping our journey, we covered not criticizing, giving sincere appreciation, arousing eager want, and being a good listener. These are vital for personal and professional growth. By applying these principles daily, we can strengthen the Toyota community, fostering a culture of understanding, respect, and mutual success. Thank you for joining us.